Good morning or afternoon or evening, gang. Sky Pilot here. Yes, I have the Green Hornet here, and I've also got some fancy pants green props here. I've completely forgotten what they're called, however they will be in the description below. I have had a quick fly at home with this. I mainly got these to try and make this thing a little bit quieter, and I do believe I have succeeded. It is certainly quieter than those birds in the trees above me, that's for sure. So we're going to have a listen, going to have a fly around, and I'm just going to put it through its paces to see how the Hornet performs with these new fancy props I got on here. Link down below, gang. Also, don't miss my last video, big special on for Christmas. If you're looking to spend some money on yourself, now is certainly the time. Alright, let's get the Hornet up and check out these new props. Okay, quick line of sight first, make sure everything is as it should be, which is what I like to do, and give you guys a chance to listen nice and close too. Okay, so I got a 1550 4S on here, guys. And it doesn't like the wind too much. It's a bit windy today. Let's get it over here. If you have seen the last videos of my Green Hornet, you will know how loud it is. And let me tell you, this is an improvement. I can actually hear myself thinking with it this close, whereas before I couldn't hear myself think. So I'm really happy with these props, guys. If you've got a Green Hornet or a sign like this, yeah, these are the props to get. Yeah, they're going to do the job really well. Okay, on with the Skyzones. It certainly is a cracker. Oh, it doesn't like the wind very much, does it? Okay. It may be a bit too windy, guys. Oh, heck. Alright. Okay, this has turned from a drop test to a wind test. Go up here, not that it's windy up here. There's some birds down there. Okay. Alright, where are the birds? Oh, please don't hit me, birds. Okay. Alright, let's go for a scoot around the BMX track. That's a little bit safer. Really doesn't like the wind, guys. I think we might be back. Go for a quick trip around the oval. I'd probably do some adjusting of that camera, I think. A little bit too flat. Nice to fly, guys, this is. Really nice to fly. Really windy up there. As you can see, I am fighting it sideways. Okay, and down we come. Let's get down below these trees here where it's a little less windy. Okay, let's bring it home. Off the nets. Oh, yeah, I'm really struggling against it. There you have it, guys. Green Hornet with some modded props. Oh, nice. Birds tried to get me. Ah, it's neat. That's a massive success. Much quieter, nice to fly. Green Hornet, much like other signies, do tend to struggle in the wind anyway. However, yeah, she's performing really well with these new props. 5 stars, thumbs up from SkyPilot. Thanks, guys. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. Of course, description if you want to grab a pair of these for yourself. Also the Fox here, that serves me really well on the rear here. Thanks, gang. See you in the sky next time. Catch you later. Bye for now. And it'd be no fun flying FPV, would it, guys, if you didn't have to repair some quads every now and then.